The fire got pretty close to you guys, right?
Yeah, man, it was crazy. Yesterday when we came in our back lot, we went back there, we were walking around with fire extinguishers. There's little pop-up fires all over the place.
So we're gonna head over to do a patio today. We gotta prep for it. You can see that there's a fire in the area. It's actually very close by, and if I look tired, it's because we've been dealing with it. You know, just trying to watch the fire and stuff. Just make sure it's not heading towards our house. Travis, he has to take a detour to get to work, so he's got to be a little late because of that. But at least there's a way to still get here, and they have a lot of roads like closed off and stuff like that too. But yeah, let's get started. So this is the house. I'm gonna drop our plywood real quick. So I'm like pretty tired right now. Like I said, the fire is like right behind my house. I have a couple pictures of those. So it's kind of uneasy knowing that. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, so the weather is kind of weird. See the sun? He's checking the lines. Okay, good morning guys. So it's day 2. We're gonna get set up. We have to go in the back and get all of our string lines set, get the heights and all that in order. A little bit of figuring out. It's hard because you have different elevations of like the condenser, the window, the door, the shed. So it's just trying to get the right height and the right pitch. The good thing is the concrete's not going up against anything, so it's going to be stone in between, so you can kind of taper it up if you have to a little bit, just to get the right heights. There's tons of sprinkle lines underneath, so you have to be careful digging down. So but yeah, we'll get it all marked out. We had to take care of something yesterday, so the machine's not here. So we'll get our height set, get cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll go grab the machine real quick and start taking some dirt out. So from there, it should be very straightforward. Just a matter of taking dirt out and getting everything to height, tamping it, all that stuff. So let's get started. So now, like I said, there's going to be stone on this part here, so let's get a string going on that too. Wrap this around. Okay, so now we're going to get some string going down the center. Then we got to get our elevations. So that's our one. Let's get the other one. So a few days ago with the fires, it actually came through. It actually destroyed an industrial park. It actually took out a building. I don't think anybody got hurt. I think there's just like firefighters. A couple of them got like, I think minorly hurt, but nothing crazy, which is good. You know, so everything calmed down a little bit. I guess they have it mostly under control, so it's good. Yesterday we just had those nasty cloudy skies, and you know, I was up all night pretty much that night just to make sure nothing was going to come near my house. And so yesterday I was really tired because of that, but I slept really good last night. Went to bed early. Now I feel all energized and I feel back to normal, which is a good thing. I could actually think today versus yesterday. I couldn't really think, you know. And then not to mention I had like just a lot of things going on with work and customers and estimates, and you know, just all the different things going on is just very kind of stressful. And today I'm getting through it though. I'm getting through most of it. You know, we're getting things set in place and back on track. You know, we have a couple stamp jobs coming up too. You know, you gotta get ready for those. And the one customer, he was actually on the one job where we did a 2 by 22 foot piece of concrete on both sides. He was that guy that came up, so you're gonna see him on the upcoming videos. It hasn't happened yet, but you know, he says he wants to be out there, so hey, let's go. Pull up to the job. The customer is trying to sell my skid steer. Look, he has it for sale.
I said, what are you doing?
I just did it literally 3 minutes ago.
I said, did you know he was coming? He goes, no. Come out, he's writing for sale, $3,000.
Oh man.
Who put this sand there? Gotta be Travis, maybe?
I don't know.
Travis is the name, and
That
nobody.
should have been in there.
Yeah, I'll sweep that up.
And then this thing, if we can bury, I think she don't like this. If we can bury another inch or 2.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay,
And
cool.
then your lawyers won't hear.
Yeah, all right, cool.
Don't worry, his lawyers are always calling my lawyers every day of my life.
Yeah, it smells great.
Help yourself, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so cool guy. I'm looking forward to it. So, you know, we're gonna have a fun time there. You know, all the customers we have are good. This guy, you know, him and his wife, they're great people, very nice. You know, and but that's upcoming. And but yeah, here's kind of our layout right here. So it's all stone, concrete, but this is gonna go 5 foot in, cut off, stone. Same thing down there. That corner is all stone. So now we can kind of visually see what's going on here and just get some of this dirt out. It's gonna be sprinkle lines. So our goal is, like any concrete guy, you know the game. You don't want to hit the lines, so trying to gently dig. You know, it's nothing like being able to just dig full speed ahead. You know, that's always nice. And then over here is like a bottleneck. You know, so that's difficult in itself, but once you start making some passes, you kind of know your line, so whatever. But yeah, let's get started. So it's gonna be 5 right here. I'm gonna show you a trick. Look, this is how you pick up. What you want to do is pick it up, so you're using, like, you're not picking up the weight. So look, take it like this. Watch. See how I'm doing that? I'm not even picking it up. Now I roll it onto my hand like that. So now I didn't even pick it up. Then look, you come over here like this. But you don't want to use its own weight to pick it up, you know?
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so come down, there you go. Put your hand in the center, right in the middle. Now fold it onto your hand. There you go. See how it's easier?
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. we gotta take like this height right here that you did over here, and from that point over where you're standing, make it like connect. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice, Trap.
Yeah.
Yeah, just even it out a little more. That's all. You guys, I guess the fire got pretty close to you guys, right?
Yeah, man, it was crazy. Yesterday when we came in our back lot, we went back there, we were walking around with fire extinguishers. There's little pop-up fires all over the place. And then the fire department came in, they said because it's all burning underground and in the roots of the trees,
Okay.
that you can't even see the flames, but what happens is, I guess, they're saying it'll travel up the roots and it actually burns the trees from the inside out.
No way.
So the trees don't even look like they're on fire, but the inside of them is smoldering.
So they're hot already.
Yeah.
So then when the fire does
So
come,
as soon as the gust of wind comes, they just... They
that's
go.
crazy.
Yeah, man.
I was watching them on the parkway because I drove past a couple times
Yeah,
on Tuesday. They were going crazy. You could tell they were nervous.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm sure they all came back here, right?
Yeah, there was a couple of the tanker trucks, and they had the forestry guys in like those little pickups
Yeah.
on them. They were in and out all
Wow.
day. Yeah, man.
What's going on with them now? They
I think they had it mostly under control, but this just flared up.
Yeah,
over
this-
here.
either they put water on it or it looks hot though.
Yeah, I don't know. There was some helicopters going around dumping.
Yeah, maybe they blasted it all at the same
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
you know? Because I saw that because it doesn't look as big as it was before.
Yeah, no, not at all.
They must have put water on it. So these guys aren't sleeping then. They're just,
No, they've been going at it, man.
man. Yeah, let's get back to Travis. He's all done doing his thing, spreading the dirt. So we'll get back there and get the forms in, get the base down too. Oh yeah, it looks good. It's perfect.
I wasn't sure about like the slant down and stuff.
I mean, I would say it has to come up a little bit to match your height over on the other side of the string. You see how it goes down?
Yeah.
So you just want to bring it up just a touch. But if anything, what we'll do is we'll get the forms in first and then we'll dress it all up. You know, we'll do like the final on it. Okay, I'm gonna dump this load right here. Hey, good morning, guys. Okay, so we're here. We're all set up almost. Travis, he's getting the tools all ready. It's 7 o'clock. The truck will be here at 8 o'clock. I mean, we're a little bit further away from the plant, so sometimes they set it so it's like 30 minutes at, so usually the truck will come 30 minutes later, so say like 8:30, but we gotta pretend that he's gonna be here at 7:50, and you know, we gotta get all the tools out. I got a set of form right there, you know, because it's against the condenser, you know, so I'm gonna put a piece of AZAC or maybe the plywood. I have to see. And I know the condenser's sitting low. All the grades are kind of different here, but told the customer, if anything, don't pour the slab according to the condenser. If anything, have the HVAC company eventually, you know, just put the pad up higher, raise the condenser, and do it that way. So, you know, but yeah, we have this form here so the power buggy can come in, and Travis, he's going to be on the power buggy running that thing today. So let's use the time while we got it and get set up. I gotta change my shoes, I have my cleaner shoes on. I don't want to mess these up. So let's get started. Look, nice day out today too. No fire today. Yeah, at some point grab the hose too, okay?
Alright.
And the nozzle as well, alright? I'd say once 740 hits, we're like kind of in the range of when they could show up.
So I'm confused. Are we doing like a whole pathway, right?
No, it's just through here. Just,
oh, really?
yeah.
Oh, I thought we were gonna dig out completely.
No.
Oh.
Right here. Yeah, so this area here, actually what we could do with this is just kind of rake it up and smooth it out. Just make this whole thing look nice and smooth, like rounded.
All right.
Hey, Big Daddy.
Hey!
They keep sending you now, huh?
Huh?
They keep, yep.
Yeah, Friday I just turned 80.
Oh man, happy birthday.
Yeah, thank
Happy
you.
late birthday.
Let me
Yeah.
back up a little bit and get straightened out here.
80 years old, huh?
What kind of smoke do you want?
Let's do a 5, and then we'll halfway we'll jump it up to a 6.
All right.
It's just a slab, that's all.
Gotta go 5.5.
You want to do 5.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we got a retarder.
Yeah. Better,
Yeah, 5.5, right?
okay.
Yep. Hold on, back up. Okay, so I gotta pop this form in. you know, we always be against time with these concrete trucks, you know, because they go by the yard. I think it's like 7 minutes per yard. That went smooth. Throw a couple pins and we're good. Right there. I can't come out with the dirt. What? Yeah, just hand that to me. I can't step in the dirt.
Yeah.
Thank you. What? Yeah, if you can. Throw it right onto that plywood right there, okay?
All right.
Okay, so now I'm gonna hit the whole entire thing again, finishing aid. Then I'm gonna float it the other way. Splash on here. Let's get this off. Can you take that stuff there, that pump sprayer,
Yeah.
and just spray like that, kind of that whole area over there? The whole area, the whole 10 by 10 section over there. Like, there you go. Keep going faster. Towards me now. That's good. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. When you get a chance, just wash this thing off too, all right?
Well, you took it half an hour too long.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, Big Daddy, I'll see you.
Hey, see you later.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
You just want me to organize everything?
Yeah, just get the power buggy completely clean. Any tools that the easy screen needs another cleanup, I think. I don't think it's clean all the way. I just did a rough. Okay, all right, ready? Hold it nice and tight. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Tilt it back a little more. Yeah, then once we get all that cleaned up, then we could just kind of hang out until it's ready to go.
Alright. I'm gonna put my boots back on. These are too big. Microwave plugged in?
No, you just gotta run a cord to it. Alright, so now we're playing the waiting game. Concrete's not there yet.
We'll be soon though. Okay, so I'm stopping off to get 3/8 white river rock. Hey, what's up? How you doing? That's good. You don't have to pick anything up today. You just move the levers.
Nah, I usually don't get the luxury of sitting here. I know. Hold on, bro.
That's 3/8 white.
White, yep.
Yeah, let's do 4 ton.
All right, what are you doing when it's don't work?
Around concrete is. You'll watch the videos. You'll see.
Oh yeah, you know what? I don't even watch it. I don't watch. I'm a dead kid.
Are you?
I don't watch it. I know I'm on right now. I don't watch it. I don't play around with social media. That's 3.25, a little more.
Yeah.
1.1.
Good.
Good.
Perfect. Cool. Thank you. Okay, so now we're in phase 2. We got the stone. Just picked that up from Guire. Now we gotta load into the power buggy by hand, and then we're gonna spread it all around to different areas. So we'll just see how it goes. Hopefully it goes nice and easy too. Oh, they're right here. Oh, okay. Okay.
The other one might be.
Okay. Come closer. Go right against it. There you go. So we're gonna spread it like so it's like about that thin. We don't want any dirt to show, right? Oh, this is gonna be easy. Go like right here. Yeah, that's good. Go more, more. Do more. Right there. Back. Do whatever you think. You know what you're doing. Just hold one sec, Jeff. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. So the customer, he came out, he saw the job, he gave 2 thumbs up, he likes it.
Big reviews.
And he says it looks great. So you know what that means, the customer's happy and the job does look great and it has all that stolen and stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
This looks awesome. Why use an ocean right here?
There we go. That's better, right?
I'm gonna get way better.
Oh, okay.
Are you leaving Travis out of the conversations? That's rude.
Leave on the other side of Smith. I'm just hanging out.
Yeah, it smells great.
Help yourself, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But how you get there? This out there before you got here.
You had perfect timing.